Discover how to rescue your precious data from a drive demanding to be formatted, saving you from a potential digital disaster. First, resist the urge to click Format Disk because doing so may erase your data. Now, try a simple restart of your computer sometimes. This can fix temporary glitches that may cause the error. If this does not resolve the issue, try plugging the device into a different computer. If you still see the error, search for CMD and open Command Prompt as administrator, then type CHKDSK X. Replacing X with the drive letter of your affected drive. This command will attempt to fix file system errors. This can take a while, so please be patient. If CHKDSK doesn't work, it is time to use a data recovery tool. Download and install a reputable data recovery program. Select the affected drive and start scanning. After the scan, preview the files and recover them to a different drive. After retrieving your data, you may format the drive. Right-click the drive in File Explorer and select Format. After formatting, you can try moving your data back onto the drive if the error persists. Consider replacing the drive as it may be failing, and that's how you can recover files from a drive that says it needs to be formatted.